In the realm of self-help and time management, where countless books and seminars promise to unlock the secrets of productivity, Laura Vanderkam's 168 Hours You Have More Time Than You Think stands out as a beacon of hope and practicality. This book offers a refreshing perspective on how we perceive and utilize our time. Published in 2010, the book's central premise is deceptively simple. We all have 168 hours in a week. This concept is both eye-opening and empowering, as it forces us to rethink how we allocate our precious hours. Vanderkam argues that we often feel starved for time, not because we lack it, but because we mismanage it. She delves into the common pitfalls of time management, such as multitasking and procrastination, which can leave us feeling overwhelmed and unproductive. The book's significance lies in its ability to shift our perspective on time. By viewing time as a vast and abundant resource, we can begin to see opportunities where we once saw limitations. By reframing time as a vast and abundant resource, Vanderkam empowers readers to take control of their schedules and prioritize what truly matters. She provides practical strategies for organizing our days, setting boundaries, and making intentional choices. She challenges the pervasive notion of time poverty and encourages us to examine our own time usage. Through real-life examples and case studies, Vanderkam illustrates how successful individuals manage their time effectively. 168 Hours is not about cramming more activities into our already busy lives. It's about making conscious choices and designing a life that aligns with our values and aspirations. It's a call to action to live more deliberately and to make the most of the time we have. One of the most impactful takeaways from 168 Hours is the importance of time tracking. This simple yet powerful practice can transform the way we perceive and utilize our time. Vanderkam advocates for meticulously logging our time for a week to gain a clear understanding of how we actually spend those 168 hours. By doing so, we can uncover the truth about our daily routines and habits. This exercise, she argues, is often eye-opening, revealing hidden pockets of time and highlighting areas where we might be wasting precious minutes or hours. Many people are surprised to find out just how much time slips through their fingers unnoticed. By analyzing our time logs, we can identify patterns and make adjustments to our schedules. This analysis allows us to see where we can be more efficient and where we can carve out time for activities that truly matter to us. Perhaps we discover that we spend an excessive amount of time scrolling through social media or watching television. These activities, while sometimes enjoyable, can often consume more time than we realize. Armed with this knowledge, we can then make conscious decisions to reduce those activities and allocate that time to pursuits that bring us greater joy, fulfillment, or productivity. Whether it's spending more time with loved ones, pursuing a hobby, or advancing our careers, time tracking can be a game changer in achieving a more balanced and satisfying life. Vanderkam emphasizes the importance of identifying our core values and passions. She believes that understanding what truly matters to us is the first step towards a fulfilling life. Once we have a clear sense of our core values, the next step is to structure our time to accommodate them. This means being deliberate about how we allocate our hours and minutes each day. She encourages readers to ask themselves, what activities energize and inspire me? Reflecting on these questions can help us pinpoint the pursuits that bring us joy and satisfaction. What do I truly want to achieve in life? By visualizing our long-term goals, we can create a roadmap that guides our daily actions and decisions. Once we have a clear understanding of our priorities, we can start making small but meaningful changes to our schedules. These adjustments, though minor, can have a significant impact over time. For instance, if our passion is writing but we find ourselves constantly short on time, we can carve out 30 minutes each morning before work to write. This dedicated time can help us make steady progress towards our goals. Or, if we long to spend more time with family, we can schedule regular family dinners or weekend outings. These moments of connection can strengthen our relationships and enhance our overall well-being. The key is to be intentional with our time and to ensure that our actions align with our values. By doing so, we can lead a life that is not only productive, but also deeply satisfying and true to who we are. In a world that often glorifies busyness, 168 Hours reminds us of the power of saying no. Vanderkam argues that we need to be more discerning about the commitments we make and learn to politely decline requests or obligations that don't align with our priorities. Saying no to the non-essential frees up time and energy for the things that truly matter. It's about setting boundaries and prioritizing our own well-being. It's about recognizing that we can't do it all and that it's okay to say no sometimes. By embracing the power of no, we create space in our lives for the things that bring us joy and fulfillment. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button.